Fact of the day: bay leaves is a remedy for coughing. Do you have an irritating cough keeping you awake at night? Try out this very simple remedy using bay leaves. Take 5 fresh or dried bay leaves and cover in a pan with 1 litre of water. Simmer for 15 minutes, strain and then drink the tea hot, with a little sweetener if you wish. Allow any remaining mixture to cool and drink this later in the day. Bay leaves contain powerful phenolic compounds that help to suppress a cough. This works by relaxing the respiratory pathways and helping you to breathe easier. Bay leaves are also very useful for diabetic patients and for relieving stress and anxiety.